Hello and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you are new here. Today we're going to make 5 Easter baskets under $15. Most are much cheaper than that because I found a few corners that we can cut on a couple of them. So just keep watching. So the first basket that I've got is a white basket, and I tried to find one with some yellow on it so the basket doesn't really matter. I also added in the yellow Easter grass with a yellow coloring book, the yellow bunny ears, and this super cute stuffed animal. And then of course brand names can make the basket look more expensive, so I've added in the yellow Russell Stover's chocolate bunny and these peeps. Next, I'm putting in this Peeps lip balm. I like the blue option better, although there were other options available just because it matches what's on the front of the basket. And I grabbed a large container of these eggs because I am going to use them in multiple baskets. I chose the 3 yellow and the 1 gold, and I'm going to fill them with Dollar Tree candy. With each basket, I'm going to show you the done look as is, and then I'll show you a cellophane plastic wrap look afterwards. At the Dollar Tree, I saw 4 different options for the wrap, which is what you're seeing, and I tried to show at least 3 of the 4 options that I got. These are what they look like. To me, I think it looks better to wrap them in this, but you absolutely don't have to do that. But it also holds the items in the basket, so if you started to overflow the basket with things, this should hold them in place nicely. And I actually got one of these packages that I didn't end up using. I'm going to save it for next year, but I did get it for 50 cents on sale, so it's probably from last year's. Next, we're going to do a green boys basket, or little girls, whichever you prefer. For this one, I'm adding in green and silver Easter grass. This is the yellow Play-Doh. I tried to find a green, but they actually didn't have one, but it does have the green packaging, so I thought it went really, really well. I ended up finding something that matched this cup perfectly, which you'll see in just a minute. So I did add in the Lego cup and this super cute Oliver Big little kids just reading book, and then a chocolate bar that has Snoopy on the front. The metallic robot, which is why I chose the metallic grass. This is so cute, which it's an ugly monster, just a little doll. I guess it could be a finger puppet if you wanted to use it that way. And then next we're adding in these Lego blocks, which are so cute because they open. So instead of Easter eggs, I filled these up with candy, and I thought it looked so cute for this basket. And it was a little bit different than things that I've seen before. So if you've seen this on YouTube before, I do apologize. I'm not trying to copy, but I just happened to see these and it sparked something in me to use them. And I'm filling in the rest of the basket with a green metallic large egg full of candy and a couple of suckers. Next, we have a pink baby basket. So I did end up getting this. Is my favorite basket as far as the basket itself goes. So I have the pink bunny basket and these white paper shreds. If you are making this for a baby, I would suggest using something other than paper shreds if they're opening it themselves. Of course, it's a choking hazard. I added in 2 headbands, and then I added in the little bow clips and a cute little bunny in the color of pink, of course, to match the basket, and then some wash rags, which I did end up rolling to stick in there easier. I added in a couple of the pink Easter eggs, but I did not actually put anything in there. And then I added a couple of suckers. Again, this is at your discretion. It's your child. So I would recommend, maybe getting safer candy, but this is the end of this basket. Up next, we have a purple theme basket with metallics in it, and I did go ahead and pull in some other more colorful options. We're going to start out with these magic marshmallow twist, which I don't know how they taste, but they looked really, really pretty, so I put them in there. This basket is more for candy lovers also, so you'll see some candy in here, a lot of candy in here. This super cute bunny pastel pin, these Bunny Tracks trail mix, and then this Russell Stover's marshmallow chocolates. M&Ms in pastel colors, which I thought would work perfectly in there. The super cute Sunday lip balm, and I bought these metallic eggs to go in there, as well as these bunny erasers. Be careful with these metallic eggs because they break incredibly easily, and the package I got was very hard to open, so you want to be careful because I did end up breaking one and it shattered everywhere, surprisingly. And then I got this package of 4 mini chocolate candy bars, and I'm gonna just put 2 in there and use 2 in another basket. And I'm also filling it in with suckers. Next up is a basket I think is more for preteens or teenagers. I myself would actually be interested in getting it, and I'm 33, so use this at your discretion. I got the cardboard box of different colors basket, and then I filled that with the purple paper shreds, the Boom Chicka popcorn in purple. They also had it in white cheddar and a different color, so again, your discretion. A rainbow ink pen, super cute notebook, and a mini Fiji water bottle. Some planner stickers. You can add more in there if you want to. I think that would be great. And then I got this incense, which if that's not something that you let your child burn, so be it. You can leave that out very easily. I also got a face mask and this super cute metallic purple eye mask, and I got a purple velvety scrunchie and this super cute candle. Again, if you don't let your child burn candles, it's easily left out or easily used as a non-burn candle as just a decoration. Some light pink nail polish, this Sunday lip balm, which I can't wait to try because I bought one for myself. And again, I'm filling up some of the purple eggs from the first large package of eggs that you saw, and I do believe, yeah, metallic egg is in here as well, full of candy, and that completes this basket. Our last basket is a pink and glitter themed basket, which I also love. So I just got a pink basket and took the tag off, some pink Easter grass. I'm throwing in this super cute pink and orange tie-dye notebook, this rainbow twist sucker, some super cute nails, which I know are hard to see, but just trust me, they look really, really good in this basket. I added some rainbow flair to it that matched the sucker. Some blow pop candies. These aren't the suckers, they're just the hard candy. Some glitter diamond lip gloss, and these super cute glitter eggs, which I am going to fill with candy. I also have the all pink Starburst, which I found at the Dollar Tree, and some of these super cute mermaid fruit snacks I'm going to use to fill some of the space. If you remember the 4-pack of candy bars I bought, I'm using the other 2 to place in the basket to fill in some of the space, as well as the rest of the suckers. I am adding blue and pink to this one, but you can use whatever you want because I think it came with 4 different colors in the candy. And that's the end of this basket as well as the video. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe. I make these kinds of videos all the time. Also, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it, and tell me down below in the comments which basket was your favorite or if you'll be recreating it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm wishing you a very wonderful day. Happy Easter.